Hello guys, in this video I will solve your doubts on the question that is, can you change email on the McDonald's app? So, in order to know the answer to this question, you will have to first of all open the McDonald's application. Now, after opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, you're going to click on the more icon, that is three-dotted icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now, make sure you're logged into your account and click on the My Account button. When you click on My Account button, it will show up this page. Here, you have the option to navigate to your personal details, password security, communication settings, and log out. Now, simply click on personal details option and it will instantly take you to this page. Here, you can click on the edit profile button at the bottom of this page. You'll be seeing your name, last name, email, phone number, date of birth, and gender. Click on edit profile and it will instantly take you to this page. Now, as you can see, you'll be able to edit your first name, last name, phone number, gender, but you don't have the option to edit your email. So, if you're not seeing the option to edit your email, that means you won't be able to change your email because it depends on your region and the version of the app. Typically, McDonald's allow users to update their email address through the account settings section. However, if you don't see the option to edit your email, you might need to contact McDonald's customer support for assistance. So I have this McDonald's help page where you can see someone asked, can I change the email address associated with my account? So it says you are not able to change the email address associated to your account in the McDonald's app at this time. That means McDonald's is currently not allowing us to change email address associated with our account in the app. So that was the simple answer to your question. Hope you found this very helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.